Did you know that a person who dresses smart all the time comes across as being more confident and they're going to gain more respect from other people? Would you not want these characteristics to follow you around? So I'm Brendon and I'm here today from ElevationStyles, and we're going to be looking into how you can dress smart all the time, because trust me, when you dress smart, it's going to change your life. And of course, who else on YouTube is putting you on style game like this? So make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. So the first tip to look smart all the time is your outfits need to have coordination and harmony. Specifically, I want you to focus on the colors. I'd recommend for all my guys who are trying out to get new fits or trying out new clothes or outfits, stick to 2 to 3 colors per fit. Because if you go above that, then things start to get a little bit messy and it's going to make you look like a clown. But when you stick to 2 to 3 colors, you can harmonize an outfit and it's going to bring coordination to the eye. When this happens, you're going to be focusing more on the fit and the colors, which in turn is going to make you look smarter. The second tip to look smart all the time is you need to know how to layer up properly. So of course we've said this again and again, but layering up is actually going to hide a lot of guys' weaknesses and emphasize their strengths. So right now it's layering season, and of course I'm rocking my parka jacket. So gents, things like parka jackets, the puffer jackets, these are going to look great on majority of guys. And as well, if you really want to step up the game, I recommend for you to wear things like sports coats and blazers, because they just bring a different type of dynamic to your outfits and it's going to make you stand out from the rest of the competition. So when you layer up properly, just remember this rule. You want the lighter material on the inside and then the heavier material on the outside. It's going to make you look smart all the time. The third tip that's going to help you dress smart all the time is you need to learn how to mix and match. This is actually one of my favorites. So this can be with materials or with clothing items. But when we look specifically into clothing items, you need to learn how to mix and match your casual outfits with your formal outfits. Firstly, this is actually going to upgrade your casual looks, and it's actually going to downgrade your formal looks if the occasion or the place you're going to requires for you to do this. You can do this simply by taking trousers and wearing a button down or a t-shirt. That's going to elevate your casual looks. Or for formal looks, you might get a blazer and wear it with denim. But learn how to wear a blazer with denim jackets by looking at ElevationStyles.com, because we briefly go into this on one of our blogs. And as well, when you learn how to mix and match properly, it's going to differentiate you from all the other guys, because trust me, a lot of you guys are trying this and you are definitely failing at it. The fourth tip that's going to help you dress smart all the time is you need to accessorize. So right now in the winter season, I think accessories are a must. So things like scarves and gloves, of course they're going to keep you warm, but they're actually going to elevate your outfits to a different level. So for example, with the scarf, it's going to bring life to your outfits. And then things like gloves, they're also just going to give that sort of hint of sophistication. Sophistication basically is a guy who knows about style. This is what we're looking for. And then other accessories, you need to of course have your watch, and you need to have a necklace. A necklace is also good for elevating your basic outfits. Make sure that you're accessorizing correctly and make sure that your accessories are complementing your outfits. This will definitely help you look smart all the time. The fifth and final tip that's going to help you dress smart all the time is actually not a dressing up tip, it's more of a self-image tip. You need to be improving your grooming all the time. So gents, grooming is just as important as your style. In my opinion, if you improve your grooming and your style together, this is going to create a perfect image of you. So things like getting haircuts regularly. Go check out the latest blog at ElevationStyles.com for the best haircut for your face shape. It's going to be linked in the description. And then you need to be flossing and going to the dentist regularly. Are you looking after your nails? Do you have a fragrance? But if you're looking to take your grooming to the next level, you should have a skincare routine and a shower routine. All of these are going to help you dress smart. So let us know if you really enjoyed this video, because I know it's going to help all my guys out there dress their best and of course dress smart. thus eliminating the competition. Thank you. Make sure to hit the like button again and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.